Welcome to this mini Spanish lesson with Sugar Astronaut. Let's learn something new about Spanish. If you want to watch the complete lesson, you can find a link to it in the video description down below. Now let's look at the last meaning of faltar. To miss someone deeply. So this meaning is about missing someone, and it's a very common way to say that you're missing someone. It's like saying you feel incomplete without that person, that special one. For example, me faltas cada día. Me faltas cada día. That means I miss you every day. So this is a very nice meaning of the verb faltar. Let's break it down. Me. By the way, you can use reflexive pronouns in the situation with the verb faltar. Me faltas. This by itself just says, I miss you. You can say to someone, me faltas. And that just means, I feel incomplete without you. But it's similar to saying, I miss you, okay? You could also say, te extraño. That's like the literal translation of, I miss you. But you can also say, me faltas. And it also means that, I miss you. Me faltas, I miss you. Cada means every. Día means day. So this one is a very nice meaning. I love this meaning of the verb faltar. When you miss someone, when you feel incomplete, you can use the verb faltar in that way as well. And especially just to express to someone that you're missing that person, that you feel incomplete without that person. Excellent. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members, Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Wadi Bader, Formula Air JSC, Alan K, James Torma, Judy Baldock, Geraldo Sandoval, Lok Tran, Michael Lee, Pan Lin Rong, and D, who got a Cafecito membership recently. Thank you so much to all our Cafecito members. If you want me to give you a shout out, you can check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Thank you so much.